mommy because she loves me. My mommy likes to bake food. I love mommy.
I love my mom because she's like cool and stuff.
Okay. Mommy. I love mommy. I love daddy. I love mommy. Daddy. I love mommy. I love my mommy so much.
I love my mom because she's always there for me.
I love mommy
I love mommy.
because she plays with me. Say it louder.
I love my mommy because she loves me.
She doesn't do mean things, and she shows me love. And
I love my mom. Well, I really don't have a reason. I just do.
So I love my mommy.
I love my mom because she's my mom and she makes good food, I guess. Yeah.
I love my mom because she's nice.
Because she helps us and she takes care of us.
I love my mom because she cooks for me, she takes care of me, she loves me, and that's.
I love my mom because she takes me to my friend's house.
My mom because she's chill sometimes, most of the time.
Say I
I
love
love
mommy.
mommy.
I love my mommy because she always cares for me and she kisses me when I'm sad and she gives the warmest hugs ever.
I love my mommy because my mommy took me to Florida. I love mommy. I love mommy.
I like my mom because she's very caring. She takes care of me. She drives me to school. She cooks for me. Sometimes she does my laundry, and then she gives me money when I need it, and then she gives me advice. And she's a really cool mom.
I love my mommy because she takes care of me and takes care of my brother. I love my mom because she gives us stuff and she takes care of us the whole day. I love my mother in Jesus' house. My mother makes food because I love it.
Okay.
Look,
sweet.
I know.
Say, why you love mom? I love my mommy because.
My mom cares and my mom Thomas.
I love my mom because she's understanding and kind.
Love mommy.
My mom because she loves me back.
My mom would take me to the park.
She takes you to the park, so you love her?
Huh?
Say I love my mommy.
I
I love my mom because she's caring and she actually supports us and she gives her best whatever she wants to do for us. Even though she doesn't act like she cares, she actually does.
love mommy. For hugging me. I love mommy. I love mommy. I love mommy.
There you go.
I love my mom because she keeps us safe.
I love mommy. Mom. Mommy, 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 mama, mommy, mommy.